last Wednesday for the month of April. Gradually, I told you yesterday, sir, we are inching close to half of the year 2026. But I asked a question, and I said, yes, yeah, Fimuno. Ayabiano also die be said, near maybe what Bakwana Munubu by now, maybe so say, for now, no. Have you been able to attain all those things? If you have not been able to attain the kind of purposes, the kind of objectives that you set for yourself, the kind of dreams, the kind of targets will set him out. Know that we still have a supreme being. So okoso ekon koto dwani na dem paibo esre eye nyame ade anyame ebe ye wo hiasem ede ama your friend me Kobla ABOTCHIE aka PROF on behalf of the team led by our senior most bright entry Patrick and SARFO Kantanka but it's going to be time with your time herbal mixture and check one baba cancer ha na yene wone din komo afa your time herbal mixture. I've told you sir, time herbal mixture do ahoban boy edru kese pa every 3D ade ho because 3D I am talking about malaria fever, jaundice fever, say typhoid fever. And again, a medro so ever why you become one summon there, a medro so high, you become one summon there. To be modern acquisitive, you made live here. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. No, and commodity to what ye di, no. Na if yen kanya hu ensem. Na in fact, monitoring the media space, and who say ECG4 Akasa and come up na ECG4 Eddie Ababatuja. And of course, yes, they've come out with a timetable. So our timetable, no, Meno Kase, Womu Ediswo na Womo Dundum Kania. This afternoon, may share those timetable with you. In fact, one more domain, one more East Legon, one more Madina, and Impotembe Brebeno, Ochinada, Omedum Kaniano. Omedum Kaniano from 6 a.m. to 12 noon. Na hifana omedum Kaniano. Ebi mu bedem, ebi musu endem. Enti paso tie sami ane nyina Kaniano be call off. Nyame adom ochina bomoding na kwaso tie SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. And then we have lots and lots of issues to talk about. One, Yankania was but do I Casafa home and then so Yabesa Casafa home live here. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM and Cherry P and who say na video be and I'm mountain na and someone a video a woman na any yang when him say Ghana ha a year a bois a year a buying and for that matter Ghana cocoa board a triama a year cocoa farmers you know a idea a was sort of chain a year Cote d'Ivoire for dear wamu triama wamu equia for the saint you know aquaco banner say Profobi or Ghana ha said the American so we man boy for no I almost saw Ghana almost Sikana Edia Momo say woman fan talk Ghana cocoa. I'm talking about the local buying companies, you know. A binumuswa yes cano e Cote d'Ivoire e koto e Cote d'Ivoire for dear no. Wabra Ghana aye kwafo a won adom cocoa sa bro mo twen say ba beto no ye ntonti mo titi ya cocoa for the kasa papa say John Mahama His Excellency here in Sika and you know young tie the Bunu regional minister wabra na oye press conference na oka sa ensami ura Joseph Adai Akwabwa the Bunu regional minister moma yenko tie no na yemra sisia ensamo okan
adia ba ko ensan hu ye bio ni se anodom premo cocoa farm visitation no ene ya ka kire omun krofo na omun to cocoa ni se abandi sika no ba omun make sure se omun di sika no nyina be wura Cote d'Ivoire akotwe Cote d'Ivoire cocoa ade abagana se ne aban no be ye onpopra na me peke is our intelligence man na so me ma security officers adwuma na me ma cocoa board anti-smuggling team no buy na sedan kanyankopon say ya chi cocoa more than 100 bars and ya twi free ade ba ko ensan hu ye bio ni say anodom premo SOMPA
SOMPA
visitation no ɛne ya ka kyerɛ ɔmo nkrofo na ɔmo to koko no sɛ aba de sika no ba ɔmo make sure sɛ ɔmo de sika no nyinaa bɛwura Cote d'Ivoire akɔtwe Cote d'Ivoire koko ɛde aba Ghana sɛne aban no bɛyɛ ɔmpɔpra na me peke saa intelligence man na so me ma security officers ɛyɛ adwuma ɛna me ma kokobɔ anti-smuggling team no ɛbaeɛ na sedanka nyankopɔn sɛ yachi koko more than 100 bars and yɛtwe free Cote d'Ivoire ɛde ba Ghana koko ɔmo na ɛsɛ Ghana for ma wo nkrofo na yachi ɔmo no ɔmo nyinaa yɛ MPP executives abi mu one crown fantasy ɛna yɛn nkrofo abɛka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ abande sika ba yɛmfa nto koko ɛwɔ Cote d'Ivoire na aba no nyɛ ɔmpɔpra na me mma saa kwan no ɛwɔ Bono region ha me send this strong warning sɛ me da so yɛ Bono regional minister yi sɛ smuggler na ngyae a nneɛma a mɛyɛ no ɛbɛ shɔko nkrofo bi ɛwɔ man mu ha wa wayɛ wadwen sɛ abande sika ba na wonfa nto koko ɛwɔ Ghana ha na mo wobɛkɔ akɔtwe abricos koko aba Ghana ha de prepare for me.
All right, engineer Busha for my enko amano sisi ana yene Honorable Isaac Yao Opoku ono ye MPP MP for Offensive South and of course or ye leader of the New Patriotic MPs wamo eko eye to ewo cocoa farming areas na menending komo ewie. Honorable Isaac Opoku ewie for God and country that's Emma kwa baba ye djubedi so na what to say
na menya correction kakra bi
me patcho me
any ekoye no me na me ranking member for Committee on Food, Agri and Cocoa Affairs.
All right, so
any a call Tony dear na honorable and not pre and a leader.
Yo, Mami, now I say for the clarification that you have just given us this afternoon, what you saw is so now. What I'm saying, one video be and then I'm from him, Bono Regional Minister. Can some be say, Wabra na mo call a year visitation. I will cook for a hoodromono. Idea mode and some can be at the two. A cocoa, a Quiafono team say, a Ghana cocoa, Nankasa Sabri, a wohodo. Idea cocoa no. Ne buono idea was rochen Cote d'Ivoire dear no. Ne sent in 1 year, one more cocoa, Nankasankasa, a binding scammer mono. A yamu and a moshasia and a with this edumano. Now, my member so. San komowi se what's here na mpacho anu ye ben pa na mode bema regional minister da Bono regional no
yo medasiminia ansa na meba anu ye ankasa som mini kan kawe
okay
yewra regional minister am so de onabo akwabwa
yeah
the best no or your regional minister enti ebu a ye de ma His Excellency the President, na no one be near the man. If it's on a AC region, no, OC President and name our region. The about Bono region, yeah, you who say a president and a war. The Yanino de Libya, Yanini de say, Sabi on a president and share them. Now, ever said, yeah, our money custom, I want it. As some of can say, minority force and Baho be more or back crashing. I don't think so. A language that is a free regional minister. One can say, about over crashing, over crashing, said the Queen now be by the 5 days, you do Wednesday, you free Sunday, you call 9 constituencies, if you can't buy radio stations, the pre, you announce your presence into when we ain't. Everywhere you know, say, you about be about over crashing. And so they are more uses our language, you know. Or yeah, president in Sianemwa or protected citizen via a war in the region, including minority for, including NPP for, Obia Ghanaian Bia or Obia, and I said yes, will be protected. And so Sakasa is free and him say, or back crash you be. And your good language. The other son said, Sadi and idea is sermon among on Capi. Memra matter so say any bar any share license buying companies no kutupa say omunko Cote d'Ivoire na omunko to Cote d'Ivoire cocoa no mo fa me gu aban no anim as na me nua we wa crowd ye say ye osre wa crowd ye osre license buying companies no sika o mo to cocoa kra no o mo nya bi license buying companies no kra no sika o mo no de to cocoa e say cocoa board e de ma wo mo no o mo nya bi nti say cocoa kra ni bi akra de cocoa e ko license buying company wa na wo mo dwane e na wo mo nya tofo omu nya potokra na omu de omu kokoo kura gum na yen momo yen ka biama akuafo no na yen asa akogina ho se mun kokoo difo ankoto kokoo mfamegu aban na nemase obi ankasa sani me ka ya ne yeko 9 constituencies yeko Sunyane West yeko Doma West Doma East yeko Doma Central yeko Brekum West yeko Brekum East yeko Jamai yeko Wenchi yeko Ten obetimi akoran so no akogi tape ni nyina wo ni nyina at no point ena yemu bia use sa language ni say yen Cote d'Ivoire ankoto Cote d'Ivoire koko na Cote d'Ivoire koko o mo na ye leading producer asuma o kan cry 100 bucks so ntuni ni ma o fan ko hye ne kashire so asem da wo pote pa no ayentumi kan wasem no akuafo aton wo mo koko since November lapem na me no kase yentua wo muka wati koko so ebo so free 3,625 up at 2,587 every bag bia wati 1,000 cedis and every so akuafo esu ene de won kan wasem nya wo kan se opposition for ba obi ma wo be crash wo na ye ne akase wo mon Cote d'Ivoire enkoto koko na obi was up away obi of SARFO is a minority for power say you be cancel license buying company say mun Cote d'Ivoire enya sresem oye lawyer o kan sama on fa evidence na nka ono ye lawyer no o court na o di asem a o the evidence and o the echo the evidence o the kasa asem no e wo yen
all right honorable say anya no kra muko aprobo no enkomo ba na mu ni ekuafo ni eni the local
ma ye ni ekuafo ni di ye na ekuafo ni haw ye kotie ye ene yeso ye ka kire wo mo say ensem a aban no eka ya o de gina so say watiko and reasons aban no assign ye say nti na watiko ko so no enye no kre
na mo mo ri
so tie haw a ekuafo no so omo so go through
na mumu reasons ben na mode ma eye koko ekuafo no e kire se
reason de ma wo mo
aban no kan nya no kre
be ma me mre kakra
me pato etio
reason de be ma wo mo se de edi kan koko board for 9 aban no e me kire yen ekwan a afi omo fa so a omo ton Ghana koko omo ra me kire yen e fi se ne ye nim ne se Ghana koko no ye ton 70 to 80% forward afi dia enti ansana obewura season ni mo no they say you 2026 mo ye ansana ye bewura 2026 2027 season no na wo koko no a wo betie no unya nkote ye no na we dia no aton 70 to 80% forward enti wo ton no sa na wie no a na wo benya wo achieved FOB so enti aban no begina ho a wo ka say ne achieved FOB 7,200 no na oboni trimu ana na oboni trimu no they achieve sa 7,200 no untime mo utrim ndi ukoko no awakoton a oni abrofo no assign contract no once awakoton koko no awassign contract no ebo ne kosro eba form you have signed the contract already in the price variation bia entume mbam enti wontumi nka se koko no bo no amansan dwaso no eso ate eno nti wo betie akuafo no de no so efi se wanya wo achieved FOB eno na wagina so a wo de determine wo minimum producer price no enti ne friend no minimum guaranteed price enti wo copy and this law 81 ne mo a ewom kwani bia ntimi nton de koko ema obia agise koko board and the buyers no so ultimate to cocoa and free will be is auto free cocoa board honorable Jimmy fan say me bow me so me mama one reason no
okay that's
so,
fine
And almost like I say, a man said just no, a bono, a swati.
Sure.
A man said just no, a bonus swatino. I did say in said first time one, a man said just a bono from Indiana. Is that the first time? A bono to me cost rubber form. There's no commodity in this world price and a static. There's no commodity. Price commodity be a cost rubber form. Now do ever na price here $3,000 per ton. Or buy a so tiba 1,800. Or so. Want to so decide you will never catch a for. A BM almost like I say cocoa board edica. Cocoa board the cabin braintina and on one more at bonus. Nana when him say cocoa board the cat. Momo January 7th, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, and some more review price and I'm what they call 3,225 for no. Some in a Kenny Hall. Most answer to what they call 3,625. So no a cano na mem. Nendi Hall. So they were honest still amutumo. In any case, a cano I dare say is a omobayano. Omono a 2017 no. Omuja clean slate ana. A car almost so bugu hono. Almost on can a mercury for entry. And we are not here number 2. Number 3, almost like I said, cocoa board before no. Yeah, any abroad sign contract no. The engineer supply nina any friend contract rollover no. And I may be so almost say until we first time almost be in yana. Me my age more cocoa board for 34 years.
Wow.
That contract rollover a standard industry practice. It's here CBR. It's 2017 and now so buy no namusoma roll over 194,208 tons and so you know so can see a producer price so and this contract roll over no omunya eka nyenya iti ebiem yesa ka kire kwafo no say omunenam ka say syndicated loan na now do koje in 2024 no wantimi antua eno nti say cocoa board kura kopra bosia omunya. And I'm seeing on so be the casa almost in the Pacro who if it's a Yanocre Cocoa Board syndicated loan you started on 1993. Your JR BC 2024. There's no year your default. There's no single year. Cocoa Board for chain a Fiba Kupa your default year. Ebini ho and the normal casa and Yanocre. And in any case, Bank of Ghana say Cocoa board of Wakotoa, Omanya cocoa receipts, Omanya $3.9 billion. Namanya $3.9 billion. Some multiply exchange rate. What do you say? Exchange rate require 10. Ubenya 39 billion. Yebusa cocoa board for Mbishia Parliament, sir, young committee. And I'm Miami Bisa almost say, what day? I could have forecasting almost 11 billion. The one 40 billion, close to 40 billion Ghana cedis. Now when they carry 11 billion, what if you want to check your forecast? I didn't know as a salano would be a for Eka. And see, these are some of the things I acquire a coach lecturer, a Criafonum, say reasons I want more Gina Society article, so you're untenable, and Tasumu, Yajitumwa, and ye. Now, at no point, and will be cast say, young Coco d'Ivoire and Kotoko Comra. Near a crime is a cracker and say, yes, sir, Criafono. Yes, sir, some more beer and ye beer on toward. Say, be our back saw the cocoa, a command galant save for, and answer with Chauco, and answer who are banding with cocoa. Yes, sir, some more beer and yes, sir. If you have one the announce for Mabama Bukra, or grew a full mobedo and a cocoa not break, or be empty. A 4-back break home, a penny back on the cocoa will be shabu from. So I'm so disheartening. Na regional minister, a baby or now bet me as president, who bet me as you are to force in no ye baby up well a queer for no yet, sir. Regional minister, who was said, no. Now, yes, I will say minority for Bahobima or back Cassio.
Okay, so me back, honorable, what are you? Sir, Ankamuna more Bemwa under this circumstance, no, Ankamono and she said Ben Pan and Kabubegua Quemoa, Coco Quiafo, and Kusu and Tom Coco. Not many, and Comama knew the one, but I Comama knew the and say, circumstance, it wouldn't have arisen. This circumstance wouldn't have arisen. Media Macase,
Afibia, ya besha season ase.
Yeah.
Na prevailing price no. What it determine will producer price. I mean, we need problem. So, but in course of the season, no dear, we need business be say, we need right be say, over here we afford this. So, if you say what ton cocoa no, and now what achieved FOB. And now the chance here the trail one say, Jaya buy 8 years in Indiana, you ton cocoa 70 to 80% forward. That's how we cocoa board from time immemorial. No, that's how cocoa is sold. Sanya ton cocoa no sa enunti na yente so da no nanka wa ask yourself say adentin na the nyina cocoa price no enko form da. That is how it is sold. Onya ton sa eno ano no na we omo buy no omo so mbe ton on the spot, and you can do that. Yen ton say broni tomatoes yen yen sa so eno na ko wrong omo ko chechire mo chire kwa for say yet says here be forward sales no sports sales nko and ebuaka yesemu and to say any wa ben mu and tamwa price no call 10,000 11,000 not close to 12,000 no and ka samre nka ton ye koko ni nyina and ka samre kura no ye ka say koko price kura no ye de bi kura ka ho and ka ye betumi kura ye.
Okay.
Yeah, no, because another time no price no call 9,000. Say any them make for. I mean, Chadi, one more breast no. If we 9,000 ho, I call 10,000. If we 10,000, I call 11,000. I call free 11,000. I call 11,500. Yeah, make a bet me Google. And you said, "Dear me, you can Google and find out how much did they offer the cocoa farmer." And they say, "Any what them was and kaya turn forward the data." And think as our season way, you need problem be you be 2026, 27 season. Now we'll review price now. Man, ya poku ametiye and coming challenge me near Simbia. But in course of the season, once you have sold your cocoa forward, now when you achieved FOB, you've entered into contract already, and when you achieved FOB. And you are buying no and also 7,200 no. Now a speculation no more bone with you.
All right.
You can do that. So almost say almost achieved FOB. Many achieved what you are saying. Because I achieved that. I did on Zaka. So PSG for Asher. Bayern Munich 5-4. Achievement no. And only achieve. You ever born on next week, you know. You ever born in next week. You can only speculate. You can only speculate. But idea was that carry and your friend achieved. So if you want to say 7,200, no, and you want to achieve effort, you know, we're just speculating.
Honorable, but I think you can help us with this information. Now, Ecoban is saying the final tranche of a year syndicated loan for a year.
Uncle, nobody went for the syndication loan. Nobody. Abrafon India, say, hey, Bosiana Wokodia, Cocoa Board, who are the idea, a alcohol, who plaques, any certificate, check Cocoa Board one year. Every year, you might certificate in a plug, say, yeah, dear, say, I bet you loan, every year, how could you loan? You are paying interest of something in the region of 10%, 11%. And they are always happy to dole out those loans.
But honorable, what?
So, I don't see Yankoji loan. I ain't then another tank will and a 2024 no can say Yakoji loan, you share interest of 10%, 11%. And to want to mean a system be over to me a Tokukwa, Monkoji loan be and not tax say, you have 1 year and then Cocoa Board and for 2024. No, someone develop model and no develop a self-financing model.
All right.
Self-financing model because I've often winning. Loan, that's you. What the cocoa 50% bar near release currency amount. What they say bar near release amount. You want to say, then I get your money every because you are never going to tone and then once you can near the abandoned sign at your interest account. And the 2024-25 season, what is here for you? Young one you talk cocoa, assembly amount, and he willingly. And the young loan, then you say you loan, you apply for loan, and the Sanka. And you know,
all right. And today, before I move here, Bemu in 2025, you know, for the year 2024 no Busiano syndicated loan no mutimi tua the final installment
with the cocoa board will be an say so be challenging me on Tressa Yakoji low say and the Yantiman Chia say in the car say there is none absolutely anywhere Yantia yen default to that. In default to that,
right.
There's no year cocoa board the default, and in your making the cocoa board penny to say your default to a manema year no. Now one just say a few way you could low say you can't say in the car say there is none. Be bias anyhow. Be bias anyhow. Be bias say anyhow.
Okay, so honorable before I mean baby no on the smuggling of cocoa from Cote d'Ivoire to Ghana. Bunu regional minister Amayati says 100 bags of cocoa yachire every year Cote d'Ivoire wamode Ghana. Say no Ghana nankasa no ekwan ben so na yemfa san hihye ne mfa se de be ya cocoa no yankasa ye di yankasa ye wa ha no ye benye pesika e di ama ye ekuafo do mo mato ye yankasa ye di no
eno na me ka se menti ase so because what they say abang what free emergency cabinet meeting. So and now I will say 3,625 for a bromiso. Mintimentia. And in your metimetia, 2,587. Abana na cow. And there's a son now betimetia. A dear na say no essential coin say untia biemu. So 3,600 no say and no intimentia. Now betimetia 2,500. I didn't know untia. So it's your challenge woman say so say what ya license buying companies from my section around 65. Those who are in active service 4950. So say what ya publish it when you classified information and your confidential information publish it. Fedco may your democracy your say Olam your democracy your say about 40 billion. That's someone they cut back 11 billion. At the end, what's the constraint? Let's just say, and what you saw from 3,600 up to 2,500, and then also bit media, and also Sutia make us so, and also a chinchine.
And to the okay, and to the regional minister for Bono region, Kano.
So media smuggling almost Ghana. We pride ourselves with our quality.
Sure.
And Sikoko no Krania, Cocoa board for Ghana for Prayan country for no say. Cocoa no Krana price na you want international market, you know. Every ton bia you beton biano. We yes and true. Every ton bia you beton biano. You the $400 a year. And your friend living income differential.
All right.
Every ton bia Ghana and the Cote d'Ivoire you beton biano. We get an additional $400 per ton. And no problem. And I'm saying your quality no, second to none. The whole world, your quality na papa. And see a summer and premium of between 150 and 300 per ton bia. And then you know we can't check your your quality no. So and don't see the Cote d'Ivoire for the omukoko eba. So me so kra me so.
Honorable, Wadaruma, Mestre over Sola in Mukakrama, Menya a year, the head of public affairs, Ghana Cocoa Board, a year, Minuyabema, Jerome, original line. So, Jerome, Mima Kwababa, SOMPA 106.5 FM, and Patona, what to say?
PROF,
okay, it's been some time now, and I guess, as you have rightly said, Nabibia Ekoye. But a quick one on this. I'm just having a conversation with Honorable Isaac Yaopoku, MPP MP for Offensive South. He tells me that Wabrana MPP, Efri Abemuno, the last final installment of the syndicated loan, Yadia Womutia Yansana Womo Echo. Una wo Cocoa Board asam we no krabene
Many of that Mincha na Mincha a tearful. Mincha Cassian Cocoa for
some parliament.
Maybe I was say what?
Joro, I can't hear him.
Okay, me pacho nyabutrama obete why. Auntie Jerome, you can go ahead.
Okay, so Prof, and someone a year or 2 years account. You were inaccurate.
He's asked you a specific question. Oh, yeah, no, it's me making progress. He's asked a specific question. Answer no.
Jerome, I asked you a specific question. Would you address that one?
Answer that one because me one meeting. Oh, me number throughout.
The honorable and give respect. So I'm respecting him. He could also be patient. Someone more could have come in because I was on the line. But I gave him the respect to say, why did you over 34 years of Cocoa Board, a member of parliament, when you need a chance? So I should give you that respect. Why can't you be tolerant and listen to me?
Jerome, please, can we hold your words and respond to the question appropriately? Yeah.
In fact, I decided to be very charitable in terms of air words describing in some of the culture of our people. The Cocoa Board, in 2023, indicated loans down, they could not pay the final tranche as Cocoa Board. And I'm putting it or suggesting to him that they couldn't pay. It took Ministry of Finance of both Cocoa Board, but he has $70 million. Ask him whether it's true or not. Ask him. I'm on the line. Ask him to be true or not. Prof, my bishop, on the line. So, ultimately, a Cocoa Board as entity, another Ministry of Finance to go and borrow $70 million to pay a year $600 million.
Okay, so Jerome, you hold it there for me. So you want to say that the final installment of the syndicated loan, which was due for July 2024, no, Minister
of Finance, and the boy and $70 million. It's sitting in the book. And has to pay for that money.
Okay, so Jerome, hold the line. I believe, sir, Honorable Yao would want to take leave of us, but Honorable, he makes the point, sir, says cano a idea Montimentia.
So Ghana,
yeah.
Right to information bill. Oh, right to information bill. Why bet you my check?
I will check.
Lying.
I will check.
He is lying. Cocoa Board, there's no Cocoa Board date year. Yako J syndicated loan. There's no day.
It is a simple.
There's no year. He's lying through his teeth.
Okay, so Honorable, I just want to say a big thank you for joining the conversation.
All right, thank you.
Let him stay on.
No, please. Jerome. I am going to get him back on the line, but no, Debbie. The crossfire is what I just don't want.
I just want to shred everything. That's what I can.
Okay, so you react to it.
The 34 years does not amount to say in someone and I am willing to share every piece of information what put it up today. So don't let him go.
Okay, so you can go ahead and share the information with us. Okay.
The honorable MP, after 34 years, as he stated, Cocoa Board, said, a year emra, say a tone, a year cocoa, 70% as forward sales. I am suggesting to him, if you point to a year emra, I say, Cocoa Board need to sell forward of 70%. Okay, emra, I'm pointing to emra Kron. He's lying. The man is often lying in between his teeth. He's lying. Number two.
Yes, you are.
Simple arithmetic. Maybe some say the projections of either 2025, 2026 season. You projecting say the better cocoa. How many tons? Not could be on that simple arithmetic because it's a PhD holder and I'm not in higher extent. Look, In 2025-2026, there is a projection of 650,000 metric tons. Out of 650,000 metric tons, before say a bonus ever for mono, now 630,000 metric tons. Then 530,000 metric tons. I'm not going to find a pen and then a paper and on the phone is a simple calculation. Now I'm going to say 530,000 metric tons out of 650,000 metric tons. It constitutes to how much in terms of percentage? In terms of percentage, whatever the big prono, after more than that 70%, or no, or come out. Let me ask a simple logical question.
Bisa.
At what point has Cocoa Board, over the 34 years now, made a forward sale of 90 or 100%? Look, at the honorable country and then say, whatever overtone, a year 70%, everyone, 30% now come. What is the intent? Inside that 30%. It is for what? You should come and tell us that 30% is for what? Because I'm not sure. Said 30% of the projected I am not sure, so with all due respect, the American of them and it will be told. It is an open one. What is the intent behind you leaving a 30%? Because then say, or we dare say a one variations every day at the boom. Some variations, same you make day, a costume. Now, a one costume, where they will not first. In every case, this are honorable say, South 2016 now all come once over 250,000 metric tons of bags on number 2 or 60 million NDCJ or 2 billion and music or the year 10. What did he use it for? 34 years of experience. 34 years. That's something to change. He says, a financing model. And it's a good for the oh, Emma, your indication. Your person, your combo, no margin, on the basis of that, you know, and here, I am a finance person and I will not run away from that. Let me use this opportunity to say this to Honorable. There is nothing wrong when you are using debt financing. In financing of every project, basically, you have two financing models. Either you are going for equity or you are going for debt financing. And equity is whereby you can even get techniques, I said, bootstrapping techniques or personal savings and what have you. But in terms of debt financing, now we are executing that project, and I said, I don't know where you are. They say, Marco Busiano, anything one, let me a Chiabusiano, two, let me a change moment. And the third point, important in anything. I might make any savings or profit out of Adina Ecoyem. So we have three basic assessment. That's a minimum a positive. There is nothing wrong. So if you take an example, the person car near 1 billion. Means to me, a better 1 billion for her. 1 billion and 1 ton. The person is dying renovation. Some renovation, no. It's now Mabaka 600 million. It's in car means and to another. Now, the pop from Jim was out to be. Also, but they 100 people of Tosco. Mamma White. It makes Oscar hotel. I was a one country. Within 1 year, and for Swana Mina, I will a year Bosiano, and 120 million. 120,000. 120,000. You 1 billion if you. That be you 10,000 in 3 months and got 10,000 profit.
Yeah.
But never
all right, so Jerome.
Hold on.
Oh, Jerome.
The question is, how the Honorable Dr. I.Y. Opoku back onto the line every time one day. Imagine a single bank for savings and loan. And what Ghana has 2024-2025 as part of self-financing model now all can. Or normally even 1 cent. I am challenging him. I am daring him. He should mention what. Here there is self-financing or my car. Say you release car domestically for the purchase of and cocoa beans.
Okay, so Jerome, please.
Hold on. That's also captured the Honorable MP with a 54 years. A cocoa board are benefiting. On country and said 2025-2026. I think as part of the self-financing model now, and then the off-taker. And now some brony something no what bruchino. And I was a Malusika as a financing model for the 60-40. He should come back and explain the 60-40. And on what basis did that happen? Sometimes you'll be exposed.
Okay, Jerome, I mean that was it, but says yeah, no. Nyabotre, Jerome, Nyabotre. Another conversation. No, we didn't want to drive the conversation to maybe a core. You know what we had wanted to establish, and then it's smuggling now a cost no.
Yes, yeah. The issue of the smuggling.
Yes, on the issue of the smuggling.
Look, Honorable was 34 years. Jerome, for 1 year. 3 years, airport. At the moment, the Nippon 2 things happen. One, Ghana Nippon board and see the investment in the cocoa production for the year.
Sure.
That is one. Number 2, the second year loss, and then they say, cocoa not yet the Paputon young for son. Some for son and after some profit in CIA.
Yeah.
And maybe the third point will be that, say, you say you lose here, the effect will be on a cocoa board and the cocoa farmer, as well as the country. And then you want the second arm of smuggling, which is reverse smuggling.
All right.
Obedient cocoa free Cote d'Ivoire every day, every right now. No, I will move to you. If a war was so upon the country. And also free Cote d'Ivoire, the Upper Ghana. What men means, Nene said, so we just go a cotton who give me additional security. Because you are trading to get profit. But unfortunately, in this instance, because of vulnerable globally, now you get war on the African continent, the Nipano small on the bar. What it means is, and
profit.
May talk of Cote d'Ivoire, 1,400, 1,800 trample one, may not over 7 million. Profit. A friction. Again, for Cote d'Ivoire, actually at the expense of a cocoa. And these are matters that what's the honorable man, so down back. Let me cheer the couple. These are the things that you should speak out. After the years of life,
Jerome,
these are the things we should speak against.
Jerome, I just want to thank you so much because Breno, I say Breno yet but I would wish, sir, maybe somewhere next week, you make yourself available so we can have an extensive conversation on this particular issue because I didn't hear and there are so many questions I would have loved to say and Kabe Bissau, but Breno and Mame Kwai. Wadaroma next week, Anka Ebrebe Mukakra. Now they are family at least 2 hours on radio, you know, so we get deeper into the matters of cocoa smuggling, because I did here on my now there are some concerns here. A month will be more raising say 1 year one more share and kutupa Emma one more cocoa no a year Cote d'Ivoire no almost say Sanko for the Macachero Munina, a bimu MPP for what is Sanko Mono?
Maximum one Bakuta party card. Baku method. I'm call rock here, or West. Doma West. Mukoye or Mokayi.
Yeah.
Video number out. Now, action and Bakuka one up to give a year. I will book machine. I know Mokasa. And you know, he said, you can't a year. Mumu ya zenze konjake
anti MPP for who bo mu pa on
na humbo man ku ra no don presse eye chini akochi nkofo na ye seconds. Just imagine.
Okay,
can you imagine this?
Well, Jerome, me patrol yem fancy right. Producer new bekasa next week. Me patrol for 2 hours be filming from Mondays to Friday. Na ye yentrase na ye ndi nkomo ni ye ba. Why, Mr. Opa?
No problem.
Martin Jerome. Jerome is a head of corporate affairs Ghana Cocoa Board. Time heba me sha for Mosere.
Easy.
Bibi aboko de.
Bibi aboko.
Na ade na lawyer keke se be hwe na sa.
Ono so ho fe o guy.
Also there.
Lawyer ho fe.
Sa
lawyer no nom time.
Oh, me patcho.
Lawyer no nom time. Ono nom time here.
Lawyer ho fe o.
Ne ho fe. So ono obi ono nom time bia ho fe. Apomuden no wo ho. Baby obedru bia no na chese.
But as at this time no put on wait na mempe.
I say utimi didi ye. On say lawyer nom time no a. Obekọ adwuma bi ofa ha wo se odi nkrofo case.
And lawyer obu didi.
There be one no maduro pa.
So obu time heba o mixer no wo de didi.
Wo anti any all the time na show dey amati pass my lawyer, but your lawyer mgundidi. Them obu time heba Mr. Didi no didi ye.
Abochi. But can be kakra be ko de wa my brother tia.
Easy. Easy. Fache me. Ya pomudi nko a.
Mind you.
Enti wona etie nyina no ye wona pomudi nti na ye wa time heba Mr. Yen hye no so say TIME o se malaria bia ayiziba no ebetu ase ede amaw enti se wutie a na ye time heba Mr. ho adanse na midi ede amaw se ye na ye di tu atiri de ase na nipadua no etimi afa ne ntoma pa ede efra enu nti no se opese utimi sori waka ekọ wodwuma so wonya wo hawo ne amane bia de a na ye bibidro krogen na se ye bibidro krogen a na ye time heba Mr. Mamifa doctor na water free ja usu ajima number no tuja 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 number na wo free ya yabaje wo feso eni die kwa so na ba bia wo bia enchiremu no yetimi ede ama wo ye ankasa yense no so say time heba Mr. ye buy 16 good years yeda so a esomo sompa esanse oman no age ede atum yenroi esa eniema miensa eno na FD4 age atum ne momonom na ekosa oyare fufuro bi a chance what we disanse nubna duan hini ne flowers haba nim de ne nyansem a onyankropon ede adom no watimi ede aya bibidro krogen sayenom emfa manipadua no na nipadua no emfa ne ntuma pa infra enti yenroi etu echidi ase ane yenroi ene de pam malaria fever ede afri nipadua nim dane dan nyina meka se entontom no aba babi wo honom kra wo kokotena wonhu na entontom ahwew anasa entontom ni bia ka wo behu an se tridie aba baji nipadua no aboso empanifo so obi benya wa eya na firi yare wantimi ankwa ma nyina no ebia na firi yare enu nti na ni kwasa wotena se ema yare ebubu ede woto ema fever malaria fever tridie enka won hyedem na wakase mehu yanka na akachi enu nti na ye kanfo ye droi ede ama wo se edro ni ye dro edro ni sanyarewa edro ni mapomuden na edro ni tu etridie ase ye de yensasi ye boka se ye edro ni ye dro a wonuma ebua na yi etridie nyina de afri nipadua nim na manipadua no asori waka na ye na dwuma yi time heba mixture ho adanse ena medi ye mofra no etwe won exams ye besra wofo nyina se mofra no suade no ye de ye ntontom beka no eno nti no ba momode ato time heba mixture wo de to ba akopekoma wo ba no wate na wo suade no na wo no maduro no na wo benya hoden mapa na wo de atwe ne exams nyina na wo befi asomdwe mu time heba mixture ho adanse ne yedi ede amawo afa so se wuntimi ndidi ya emfa kire ho nka se wukubu two tots there bi wo de no nom time heba mixture mesi ne tini no mienu anopa mienu awia mienu anwumre wo betimi adidi na wodidi ye na nipadua na hyehye kama na afi enya no ntoma pa ede efra time heba mixture na meka ho asem ede achewo na awie se ye dro no beboa ama wotimi adidi ye afi so obi wo ho ana ne honam nyina eye ne ya ye maame no ye nua mema mo wona wo honam mere honam ja obayi adwuma wie at the end of the day na wo honam nyina etutu ye comfort time heba mixture ede ama wo se edro no beboa ayi honam ye wo nyina ede afiri ho se de be ya wonsu betimi enya apomuden mapa 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 ofre ye number ya ye beje ofeso na baabi a wo bia no enchiremu mapa yetimi di ama ye drone for the treatment of malaria fever, loss of appetite and afi general body pains bomodia so benya ye nro ibi ye wadwe so edwa so bebre sa wo penido so pu etua bomodia so beko kaishi drug lanes shops akuku dama wo nyina wo so pe time heba mixture yenshane so se time no ye TIME and watch na bow no sa bre no a wo kono okase wo yi adufufuro de ama na fufuro bi wo ho a ka kire ne se aduana de hye se wo boa na adura ye sa yarewa ama nnuro no abo adwuma ye na nipadua na fa ne ntoma pade afra no eye time heba mixture eye time heba mixture 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 afin so ebia wo pharmacy shop bia wo akiri ho a ka che won sa wo time heba mixture ato anom na ebeboa wo amani peduanom afa ne ntoma pa ede fra doctor wie ye no se ma me fa time HH mixture ene ne capsules emaw eno ne de boa wo amani peduana hyehye na boost immune system no ama enkwamo na nya hoden ye se de be ya yare bia ntimi mebo ni peduano eye time HH mixture and then the capsules and a demon. Medi one dance ama bema ontimi nwunso yi. Odwunso esine make am for the amount say baby bacteria infections be there free ho. No me nro ni bi. E san say yedru no. Eyedru. Ebeboa ankas. Ebeboa
na wo mo boda bridge no. Almost abosi kwa na so so.
Za ye bibi no. Onza tete no ye tira kura so kontom na ha ba so de kaja na ye star obi no. No bi.
Ba sa sikwa unim sikwa no de unim ade sikwa. Unim sikwa.
Trimimu esia na akwa aha sa de ena so nya fiada wo be pass mama me mpanifo ha enti sikwa no become kama na emunya de na enti ni sorry na ma na ye no anu aduane no ye to opo na ye different no ye wo ways be atimi different oh be
enokra no safa ka kire
me dofo menya wa se menhia nyina ye timi de ma wo
safa ka kire
so hu de
na nyina kire
enti time HH
me edro no ye benya bi wo hina
ato bia benya bigana hadie for the past 16 years e wo na emum no o pese me tu card frɛ wa wo de bomode asa wo be frɛ 0247 131940 yɛnhyɛ no so sɛ ene wo kai hyidie ne nyina yɛ pese de yɛtuma wo no saa ne de emma wo bomode asa wo begye nyame adoma da sɛ ne yɛbɛsa ato aso
next week I brand them ba ho
traffic o nyezo
enepa na mahu sɛ ho
ofe me bo duku no ho
oba he wo pese ho oba ho ofe a ubehunu wabra
lawyer opacha say na mitinchi ayo ana me say masha regen
lawyer ampo ubeso obehu say oba ho ofe a ye time a oba na boduku me da se pass oba
ya me sure me das
yo ebushafo e betwa ho abasese a ye ba eni mpiesie lawyer keke sebe wo mo atrase
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello papa, what do bad to be a new? Se me feel London, echo US. Na no crowd wo kura from me mama nia. Na papa mo ho te say. Awurade aduma habako. Na ko jejesi, ekwo bosim pene mo. De wo ton adansi ho niam no so. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Ekwo ba. Messi obo adwuma kura sere kane no a. Na wodro US won so manfo bondin saa na. Hey papa US hakura de. Na no kojejesi company limited age ba bia. Wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adansi ho niam de a. Obia se na kojejesi company limited. Na matese wo bie depo kasie bi e wo kasoa. E ho na wo bia koto adansi ho niam. Na eye no kura papa. Oh eye no kura pa. A police station in Chenhua. Hey, a kuoba sempre monono. Onye mereda. She, we kurano mi ensemua and we be en fufro yawo. Baku obu akwase pass kumasi. E ba konso pokruase nkran ha. Obiase, na na kodwogesi eye bemaba. E wa dansi mu. Waton cement, iron rods, banding wires. And na dua plywood and just say the board dance ro. Te se bibia e de she e dansi ase de ko wie. Depo no nyina nso eye tufo bo. Wodu kuka mu a, wodu kodwa free. Akra wuyi kaswa depo ene pokrasi de no kra to nchen a wosa wobu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City amanfrom wosa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nchen a ebisu magazine road head office no wo bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwesu Akra road Femeswa opposite Alaji Celia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and a Manfrum. Numbers of man for the fray 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 Nana Kojesi Company Limited. Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us SOMPA First Service. Ewo homayen enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bra Onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
SOMPA First Service entwa wo hu hoda eya dwada kosi efiada anopa no num kosi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share densa na erade beye
Ewra me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag mi
bra aden enen so biem
time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba akun ani wayi mi ensen
bra sanya time heba me hya esi agye mi ni mi fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen
we de udi se ofa ni nyina
time heba me hya me ka se mi di wa dance ya heaven ene de mekwa akopie enti se malaria we draw ne time heba me hya
enye enunku o de nanum oto a wontimi ani die no time heba me hya duro no ene ye ma wo oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akwada no fo ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wako hospital anase lab ame yehu se wo atudie malaria yi bi ansa se opetam heba misha enu dudu atu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction
eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers ene herbal shop dodo na emu
pre 0244 417669
kayo set time no time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu betu ako
FDA age adwadie nkratoa yi atu
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wede na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de ntie fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se ehya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eye afo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfra Hajia special local foods efise hono enaduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mo timi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 anasa 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 na with them 21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia ji 21st clinic nko wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic still wo me sciatica expert. Yes, can you hope you more? Joe's bread and pastries.
Joe's bread and pastries.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the Joe's hot kenke abba. Dokono papa no.
Dokono papa no.
Afei na wo bekojo. Akoto to eburo. Abecha ho sente. Ababa ye dokono akwakoton. Wo bra Joe's hot kenke ewo ho. Eye 3 Ghana cedis per.
3 Ghana cedis per.
O say price no. Wo betu na wo kwa no akwakoton. Eno anu se wonya wo niema na wo de aboso. Enti sabre die introducing Just hot kenke. Ye de ebro papa ehu cha ene ye de aye. Baby aye no nso. Eya honidie nko a. Highly clean environment. Ene no achi no obo ade nsa no naturally nice and it tastes good. Enti ye comfort the amount say just hot kenke. Mo amoto dokono nyina. Ema mo ncha mo ho biem. Ema mo mre biem. Mo metum free ye nchen. Eye 3 Ghana cedis per.
3 Ghana cedis per.
Joe's Bakery, Dome, your commercial bank at 68832. And you say, dear, Joe's hot kenka benti. And one is a uber 2 ya. Now would ya quaco see what corner hot now ton. Joe's hot kenke. Hot kenke. Yet ya bow punano. Way a year house.
23 minutes after 4. A very good afternoon to you once again. Baby, I will be a higher so KK Sebes what I say. KK Sebes speaks for the new Patriotic Party and then in PSC. Miss Swami, a kete. And I'm a child, dear. Oh, two bottom. A friend is a junior RC JHS. And I'm starting to say, and in PSC and kind. But any no one for power, any minute to say.
Yanko Panda,
one for power.
Medas.
And the cow ranty bremu kakrade ja. Now you ja.
Look at my work.
Oh, but I said you move work.
Debbie,
every Ujaso.
Castle will be sad and I go for the question.
Ah,
and also could be said if you okay.
A question bear. Kai me. At the Minko Bissau, your home.
Then can't say.
I said they will patch
the Fado come be or D maybe. Ah, Kai say, what say now? They
been common and come benga. A tear for tea and come benga. We are interested. And you mean, baby, a tear for nitty and come benga.
No per time heba win pa.
No per time heba mich and another Akufado. Was going to ask Rebecca? The guy, but I'm a wow.
I'm going to be a Ghanaian women.
Ghanaian women. Ah, one carry Rebecca. No. I'm going to be a Ghanaian women. Hey, and NPZ. Like you guys have had to say.
Nyamiadum.
Bibi aboko de.
Yeguso. De yabu dread. At the same time, Pimsoko.
Now, is it last week Friday? Then you. Yes, it's only Babu Musa. So we are elder.
Papa.
Oh, asorbem.
Christ Redeemer Church.
Whoa, elder Bakupe.
Oh, my branch, I won't change here.
Sir, and I'm a bad that one invite him.
Now, a college in the class say, you cover Bible by the way, Johnny.
Oh,
son, no more. Can I catch up saying yes? And this are crown and now. Oh, my ganjo.
They be the one. I capture phobia.
I so I will shower. I
capture Sadia no big guy. I capture in a pump. Back on the craft or a bong. And now back of Sukan. Omo 3. I capture phobia or a bong. Back will be Sukan. Maybe I'm so much. You go for Bible by me abochi me the Bible.
E dey catch opportunity.
Oh, I had an emergency.
Okay. Yati
Me ameba. BBC.
Okay,
and you know I had to rush. Now I say me ko here no.
Ever heard the Bible besa be boy.
Esi Bible by abochi jani.
Sana mo kan am say
akafia. Oni orbo oni unia no. Na am say na wutie nkomo ana me na Jerome ni honorable Poku offenso is it North MP MPP ni di nkomo any Jerome obeka bibi kakra fa ho ana.
Oh, me da say prof na mema wetiefo ne ahwefo nyina so no adwo ene anwumre ni ada o masse se eja omode ato ha na omotie yen na yada MPP for nso ase achia yen flag bearer His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia Ghana ni da so pepe se hwe baby a oman ya akwaduru a enoma eje nsem koya Ghana for abotre a omo nyina ne se de tie biara Dr. Baumia about 2029 tani da so ho nti egu so Prof me pacha wo
yeah me too
mesre bisa say honorable anodompre o hen sesi aye ka say
or around
ya china na
oh mente say ya china
din sem bi ho no mu ayenya kan yenya iti how can a whole regional minister do this propaganda
regional minister propaganda
oh one tell some kind
oh me some kra wa ha metimi abobi a process here metimi abobi
o say eye anodompre ene ne nkrofo ena ama nkrofo important nioma on a small girl
wo de sum na tie di okan
me pa che
ade ba ko ensan hu ye bio ne se anodompre mo cocoa farm visitation no ene ya ka kire omo nkrofo na omo to cocoa ne se abandi sika no ba omo make sure se omudi sika no nyina be wura Kodivoa akotwe Kodivoa cocoa na de aba Ghana se ne aban no be ye ompopra na me peke sa intelligence man na so me ma security officers adwuma na me ma cocoa board anti smuggling team no e baaye na se dan kanyan kokon se ya chi cocoa more than 100 bars and ye free Kodivoa at the back Ghana. Cocoa say Ghana for one crofo na ya chi omo no. Omo nyina ye MPP executives ya bi mu one crown fantas. Ena ye crofo abeka chi omo say abande sika ba ye mfa to cocoa e wo Kodivoa na abane nye unpopular. Na me max akwan no e wo Buno region ha. Me send this strong warning. Say me da so ya Buno regional minister se smuggling na njaya niama meye no ebe shoko nkrofo bi e wo man mu ha Sompa FM wa ye wa adwen se abandi sikaba na wo mfa nto cocoa e wo Ghana ha na mo wo bekwa akotwe abricos cocoa aba Ghana ha de prepare for me.
All right, and you know, like I said, the Buno regional minister na kan no.
Martini ye pa me da sense so wa bokra ma afia much clearer to me.
Okay, that's fine.
And now your lawyer names so lawyer penina wagina dwom sebe akasetia na yonko for lawyer for e kire se onim de chen obia wa kire se ono de MPP lawyers na kra de okoto omu school mu esa assign omu free school mu edi kan ja omu meaning say wa ben e chen omu obi okasa say bia no o show lack of maturity in his speech.
The Buno regional minister.
Yes.
So that's something now kind
it's not necessary. Because when you are called to the bar, you are called to the bar. Oh, your lawyer ni. Oko courta. Judge ni misa say, more a lawyer for me, no. When you are calling the first, no one really assembly man. And it's on record to say, and your lawyer near obedi lawyer kani, any di bim. So this is very infantile. The way he is approaching things. You see, now what is also asema obo is here, signal a ɔde ma NDC for na ya na ɔmo mu bi no madwene nkɔ ɛne sɛ
signal benga
ɔmo ba aban mu ɔso ɔmo to kokoo no ɔmo yɛ for MPP for
I'm sorry ɔmo yɛ MPP for no
yes ɔmo a ɔmo achi ɔmo sese ɔso signal nya sɛ sika na aban de ba no ɔmo to kokoo for no ɔmo yɛ MPP executives enti de ɔka che NDC for ne sɛ MPP baayi NDC baayi still a MPP for and in charge ɔmo nim sɛ MPP for na ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna ɔmo sesa aban sika de kɔma MPP for asɛm a ɔka che na NDC for no
Debbie lawyer Keke Sebe I'm say you are twisting the issue.
I am not.
No, wait.
Yes.
Asɛm a ɔka ɛna say ɛyɛ wɔn a yɛakyere wɔn wabra na wɔn smuggle kuku no wɔn no ɛyɛ MPP for executives
ɔbɔ baabi kura ɔmo wɔ
yeah but one ka sɛ wɔn a yɛde sika no ɛma wɔn so wɔn
ɔse wɔn a aban de sika ma ɔmo no ɛkɔ kɔtɔ Cote d'Ivoire to make
profit
aban no unpopular what you say enti aban de sika ma ɔmo no so ɔmo ntɔ no na ɔmo de Cote d'Ivoire akɔtɔ na ɔmo make aban no unpopular enti no wo Ghana ni kuani no okoko beans ni gu hɔ a yɛntɔ ne de akɔtɔ government money de yes and also aka to aso say wɔn a yɛakye ɔmo ɛwɔ sɛ adwumadie mu no ɛyɛ MPP for so by and somehow can that is what he's saying enti NDC ni adwene ho bio ɛno na the settings no ɛna ɛyi ne ba no ɔyɛ lawyer ni ɔse onya intel sɛ anodom prenom ɛna ɛyɛ sɛ adwuma nti na me di kan me bisa ɔsɛ me ne wo kasa anodom pre wɔ hen yakye nana
David
so what he's saying is say anodom pre ɛkasa cartel ɔmo yɛ saa no your friend aiding and abetting see ankyene kra na ɔno na ahyɛ nkrofo kutu pa sɛ ɔmo nkɔ ya sɛ
but so unya intel the intel can be true or it cannot be true
now what he's saying is that the people have been arrested so what it means is say the intel no following and then also makwakochini and is makwakochi ɔmo a anodom pre ɔmo yɛ saa na anodom pre so ɔne na mo say
e was sanke banana
as I say actually he's a lawyer and he's playing propaganda when now the koko jina quarter near bizarre questions like this then you for want of a better you look very stupid before the court. A lawyer doesn't speak like this. Maybe bizarre as well maybe they say another prayer why should another prayer be walking free
then uncle say uncle also yeah
as original no crack na diversionary tactics no more play to sway Ghanaian, the minds of Ghanaian. Also, better now. Here, we program very hot program. 3 o'clock. I was saying, I was saying 4:34, almost 4:35. I can 1 hour now. Program where we topic Ben you are discussing so far. Yeah, go. And yeah, because of idea okoye, not their sway the discussion. No, a free path SF also because the person who what tenache who can assess or your bema. Omumbra bio na oba crash no nipa apesa o crash no de ne ho abasei nipa apesa o crash no akọ edi abet wa hyenkrofo kutupa amoma ye sa adwumadie ya na oda so ti obesi ne then you yourself you don't deserve to be in that position.
So who would have to call for the arrest of Anodom Pre in this issue?
Is he not the regional minister? Now when they call it for the arrest of these people Oma wachi omo wanya if he makes a complaint against Anodom Pre intel and says what I say ya and I say Mosaka say maintain me higher number Anodom Pre a sentence and I believe say a sentence nipa na say nya akuku odro nya hoden aka say a sentence or that's na mo
but Anodom Pre yene ne kasa of air also on kasa bio but as some of the two journalists woma ayebunu regional minister no 24 hours to retract and apologize so anya the sa or then kwa kujina asem dibia.
That is the way to go.
And you think he would have a case?
Oh, why wouldn't he? If you are not able, because Adia Wabekain, when him was saying anything, say enya no kre. Mem so me gidi say enya no kre na. What defame me Anodom Pre by stating say it's like saying say or your nation wrecker or bomb mine or say mine. Me pacho da ben na hunu say galam say kempens I come masemi. E bigina atechemu a omomadi waters ni bida banya omo ne yes say ehia say go after them
sure
na a whole lawyer and a respectable one for that matter who make such loose comments at the two or trada who be say who din science be ode he's not being serious and wo de wadwuma na wo ye abotchi wo ye fair ene ensompa mo ye fair
and
firm analysis and judgment e wa ha sei etimeti ase bibi say ba you want to discuss and get the other side now so asema make can say we ade we no straight away me tea ya na say there me be say another pray we so the issue kra no enye oma o chi oma o se omo pacho ne ene so obi abesimi stage bi akwa koyesa adeda for ma pacho na social media ne etwa ne de nam social media
ba enti no pacho say the regional minister na can say wo mo ayeko kire omo no na ebi mumpu no party card ehihye omo ho a kire say wo mo ye MPP executives and Jerome so ebeka fo aso say wo no ye kire omo no na ebi mu kra aye party card and he was emphatic say na wo mo ye MPP fo
me who party card ni bi. And my issue is not say a MPP and a NDC. Adia enye. There me can say MPP. Okay, your friend saying baby your body in the chairman. Now the details now because say I'm good to MPP card. So I can watra. So me so me tna. Now I'm going to good to NDC card. I can watra. The name of the game is evidence. I'm telling you. When you na ye be fa ko sue akoto ba bi na ye koko nsami ye say I think say energy sector no enoma e bomb wo energy sector no e so chen bibia enti en sue attention ne kakra mfiri ho na is bibia nim
but you na see for mamenko eye enim
bibia nim enti sa tactics no mu play no omunyai because who play it will come back and hunt you say everybody no make you arrest no 24 hours my it will can say MPP executives ewom to say there ye kwache NDC I think say youth organizer of one of the regions na why ne ho anti-galamsey task force personnel omo ejiji ska won krofo ho ye ni ko police station ye video no twitwa no ni posters nyina begu social media so NDC ni na ka we omanya MPP for say MPP for na ye we na kwa na waka say o de ye ka no o man say go fa kire mate so asa press conference say MPP for na beto na ko mo fa maye o de ye ka na ka we omanya
o de ye ka no
o de ye ka
and do you sure say NDC for na fa kire
Debbie de me chane say yes me in fact and kra me hu ye me ne communicator ba ko tenase e no kind am say wakwa press conference e dey about say MPP for the chianika enti say omanya saa ade we my point is would they sleep over it tell them that I say they should publish the MPP executives no ko yes ano any omu positions they should publish it
mami now say mami can say to this first clinic as well as saying woman of the sciatica e dey abadwa man so na endpoint homeopathic clinic omo say the end to chronic diseases Dr. Eduwatin RSYD no Vigi Studio so enewi ombo ichidom kese pa time herbal mixture makacho say ahoban bo edro yaka ho asem newi e wa ha mami nkona mintie menu anim PSC eni mami ntie we on the cocoa issue
yo menu me da se na me mfa kwanya sunso na me nchia watiefu na hwefo a wo hwe wo abefo kwantempo yin
obo nyina da ase
na me mbo menu Jerome Abaso abribia no say about political communication na sabe untimi determine ne our opponent on can found Ghana had an unfortunate say in your normal MPP for I young adwin say prim no beka ye say obe transfer to abang because over the years adianka ye gina super e criticize abang a scandal issues neme bi e fa keta je ne pro ho e bia neme bi e fa memu no enkoye ho but prim wonya bi so you cannot fault them. Miss Anna may afraid to them say why obey the wings or the wings politics. Maybe I'm from Anabobia no DHB. Inti praying nan can say cocoa uncomodi grano. Yakosu a debut. It's answer ABC Dana Ghana ni items castle cocoa if you Cote d'Ivoire. But I'm going to you. Just say Ghana cocoa no nebo was slow. Cote d'Ivoire. Asha se nan komoni ye say Ghana abang esisi Ghana koko akuafo but one thing komoni bi
maybe tip pa
njino woni nam nkurase no woka abang ni sisim yeti MPA wo de ne kase mo na won komodini say bodaso gina won answer say Ghana aban esisi kokokuafo
yeah
na
no correct
asem no nyina so ha ni nti no o conscientize ekuafo no to them and so no kware wo ho ehese nyina ate na egetom ayentimi mmisa ho nsem bio ene say Ghana koko kuani no sika onya fi aban ho no eso chan ne Côte d'Ivoire koko kuani enya fi na aban ho oko Cameroon the same thing into Ghana ban NCC koko kuani biaye because I don't know e hode no ne boy ding echen Ghana there anka akoto na de aba be eden bio Ghana de no bo e wo soro nti okuani nyeska dodo chen okuani a owo Côte d'Ivoire ene nti no bitimi ja Ghana de ho kokoto Côte d'Ivoire de because be share form no e bi se mu no na obeto me pese mebodin but nya wode ton wo ho no even though e illegal no ne bo no almost doubled nia obetimi enya wo Ghana ban ho nti wode kofa fi ho mba beton wo Ghana ha but nia mesre ni cocoa politics ashasina na mkache ni nia no men people say adewe e be fall flat because ochime bi international commodity nti nya dia Ghana ban no determine world market price mpado na mega want say amanga huru bebre including Brazil obi an de ba mansangwa so beton nti na monam koku mfu no ni ade no ni amuyi enkosi aga na mum adwuma bia shadan ni ho ma won a obetim bia ye won propaganda nti no ba bia be so na fa bia no so so masane bi ba de atini de nyame asese President Mahama ban kwana offer so handle Ghana kokuafo no enne abedagwa se nia anka Côte d'Ivoire funya ko ngaban nyema won hwani na other countries are once oya cocoa producing countries no wonya anka se na Ghana ban treaty Ghana kokuafo no anka once wonya na se bi plus na President Mahama ban plus my hwehwuma hu se allegations na fly no no kware kakra wom
allegations
purchasing companies ni bi
yeah
ekoto koko ni fi Côte d'Ivoire yampa mu yi ya na me frɛ nkrankwanta
okay
information na me nyaa nen be say ne pan say obe person code on mo be kasa na no so me echiri betimi ni modi nkomo offer nti ye no kware na ne nyina so ene ne amabɔ no po mabɔ no tofa na edikan mu
nti no allegation na wo say wa confirm from nkrankwanta no nipa ne catchere wo say woni a this adwuma no na on ye MPP for ana
honestly man call that tangent man for that route
okay
say we NPP and we NDC I hope say that you say I may adum na me de number no ma na friend na ebia obetimi ada but you see empeng bebre no meeting bia say
okay that's fine
na me pese menya nkomodi no fi ho that source ni ewo ni MPP NDC no enfron ye benia enfron ya na
afron
na wo enfron ye
maybe say wo afron
maybe say wa sem na fo so we man na maka bia
we dey some ye Ghana ni conversation a ebe shape ye Ghana enkan kono me enfron me da
mo wa ya de na be bia ebe bon say brofo kasa mu fro be say boredom
say edu be bia ebasa
na me can want to say
ade bia won a positive and
it is getting to that level because of opposition aban and a party opposition now we who baby as say we gina na wo huru kosia ade twan huru kosia ade bechi no huru kosia na aban a oteso no e di nsiye enebu man a bra e man komo bia e negative na funu nipa me no ka say ko India ko he what's alliance on atofua
India
me na me ka chiro and some other countries because of that Gulf issue Ghana ha yente sa de ni bi Brebe besen koya na omanga ho bi mpe amanga bi mpo Russia and Ukraine pe na no wotwe daire ana wo kuntokwa na ye issue kase wo man mu ha enu nti na se bibi akoso na amahoro wa he na ekoka wa amahoro wa nan na ekoka Russia Ukraine hunta amahoro wasia enso dollar jam baby jrai baby ayadu no eye bra ese se yema amanyosem no wahu eye serious business kakra chen mi ekui koko eye man no koma
sure
until recently maybe ayenya oyo bi ni ade de aba
any gold
abe so yasen ho baby kakra enti na ehia no kwaredi reduce sa o friend then propaganda no kontompo ni nabraba sem ni yenyimfim because penia wo ho prempren ni say Ghana kokue ni no otiye echen ne counterpart from other nations na me pesa me kan kokon sem morning.
Now with the smuggling aspect what's the regional minister and komo awodi ka say MPP for ni bi sabawa titu minority for no bawa obe crash yo no ebi mu chiro madwen say enya kasapa lawyer keke se betia wose sa asem no kan no oyemranim ni enya kasapa. What would you say to that?
Kasa ene sene obesi aka da bia meka obi betimi aya o nso no osro onso obesro obi de ahia obi betimi abo abaso baso no be nanim no utum sa abaso bo na obo no nya abaso bo de asundwe o enti minum minyina so ene crash no what he is making reference to and how he is referring to and an interpretation of the crash kasa efi na no enti mi kasa obi no misco too no video
and you know was anke your friend and ye bisa na say crash no kan ye no as a trainer na say
so what you say sure so no obi aba interpret what semafa ni obetimi a kirem so eyim ni nyina so no ebi gina wa wo so you will crash in a negative way na me ken what you say crash bi a crash but ebi ho a wo kirem kosi ba bi foforo a obi a wo kwan say obetimi atwa no esi bone mana ye ebi obe crash one so obe face you squarely because what on am fatu na koi one am fast can na koi what the message na koi so what I say and how crash their message the same crash bro for kasa but that's what I say enti onu na pa na ne po betimi agina aka say me nyina so pa me de kani na me refer to as crash no
as ni
but prempren ye ntimi ntwena no nsi form sa.
But our crash you typically implies a threat to destroy, defeat, or severely damage someone or something, often in a competitive gaming or confrontational.
Underline that competitive,
confrontational contest.
No one other buy. Now the buy no. So that's equal measure. Now the person with the crash.
Nyanza semka de Nyanza semka. Ya de ye basa. Asoma ye di Kenya me kan so when in PSC. He speaks with wisdom. Eti ade na enye apro atete asai kura na. Wo be kusa na anim PSC anim se ka say enye. Wonim se ka say.
Don't patronize me. Don't patronize.
Wo be ka say wan. Anya mama say man
wa bon se ma
wetin dey defend asem we why ya dey the way why ya no wan hwe ye hu akire da I'm telling you
eti wa say asem no uni me nim bies
on sign wa kura no in a way e be fa sa
be ba cho we ba mo change sisi ya baba me first information we into dwa ochina 30th April, that is Thursday. Rotation of load shedding continues. IT Group C from 6 a.m. to 12 noon. Group A from 12 noon to 6 p.m. And a Group B from 6 p.m. to midnight. Group C again from midnight to 6 a.m. Okay, and you know, it's a rotation way for the load shedding. Ebe cover Greater Accra, Ashanti, Volta, Oti, Tema, and Central regions. And in Group A, no, Munshanonson, Adenta, Madina, East Legon, Osu, Teshi, Airport Residential Area, Kokomemle, Accra New Town, Atomic Junction, Amrahia, Damfa, Oyibi Bema Camp, Bantuma, Wokrom, and its surroundings, and a group A no. And Tinyami Aduma, Ochina, Mwati Mudini Nina no. Every anopa no nsia kopim ewia premotubre 12. Na che say mobako off. Mon sharenso, group B, Awoshi, Kaneshi, Dansoman, Odoko, Ablekuma, Amasaman, Dakuman, Malam, Tesano, Ofanko, Aboso Kain, and its surrounding communities. And on group B, Ochinamun Sharonson, from 6 p.m. to midnight. Until Ochina Enyumre, 6 p.m. Ekopim, and I do the room 12 midnight, Monkami and Nina Abeko off. And Yamina make our ECG for Neka. Me pamacho Yamina make our Mrs. Studio ECG for Neka. Now, more group C, no Achimota, Agboglosi, Nkrumah Circle, Dansuman, Bubuasi, Choko, Kolegono, Osu, New Achimota, Nima, Tesano, Latebio Kwesi, and then surrounding communities. Maybe I'm sure more group C. And Temusubu DNA. Every anaju midnight, Monday ba 6 a.m. And say na load shedding plans etie. Now, say no any place. They say that load shedding na nya ba odum so na na ewom no.
What information what source of
Oh, ECG.
Well, yes, sure.
Oh, ECG.
I also doubt it.
Oh, why do you doubt it?
I doubt it because...
Wait. The ECG power outage schedule. Thursday, April 30th, 2026.
Mimi asodium.
Mimi so medium.
Mena me kachiro. Me say, we enye journey.
We enye journey.
It is not. They are fake.
Why is it fake?
They are fake because
tell me.
Anope Mitie, Dr. One of the ECG Ayiku. Or Dauto Sadewe.
Or Dauto Sadewe.
Sorry, or disputee.
Or disputee.
Yeah.
Enye no
Enye genuine. Enye authentic.
Really?
Yes. Because load shedding yi, if he will train in tea, will be then a juma won. But I'm making what I say. Because you load shedding, you bet your reason at the kunti. I was to say, can you say near war? Until you be check load shedding as anything. Yeah, what this voltage and this number of men can say watts. Until eno nearby betche ama oyi asemesi ano benting. Right? Because of A, B, or Z. We are pushing reason ben.
Let me see if I can fetch you with the reasons right here. I'll get it for you.
From praying how I ever honey. Yeah, well, how a plan maintenance. Why upgrading and replacement of transformers. You see, you've my way praying. One year distributors. In the interest be a canea do niho. We need canea do. Name wo canea no. Nanso near best ya canea na quefi muno. Or how be wo. Bebo honoma aye overloaded. It yet do be house on a canea pe naturally a bad trip. A trip of her. There's a be our frabo hamanians or once I quack sobium. And nunco. Now, I'm here to say, transformers in Honoma are obsolete. It be a check, it be a ying. I be overloaded into a replacement. What over 2,000 pieces of transformers. So I think 2,500 thereabout. May exact figure no. Our replacement.
Maybe. I think the information I put out there, no. The energy minister has announced that ECG would release outage schedules at a shorter and more frequent intervals rather than fixing long-term timetables because of generation generation at Akosombo is fluctuating in real time as engineers restore the unit.
As at yesterday, now I restore 4 turbines.
Now 4 turbines
out of 6.
Unim the megawatt I the mine.
Mpacho 4 turbines now on stream. They are still working on 2. And you want say by the end of baby and no China 2 more can help you. Okay. You need problem with generation.
All right.
You need problem with transmission. Problem I buy Akosombo fire outbreak and they are working round the clock to fix it. Nia ye wo prempren a wo ye maintenance schedule no distribution aspect ECG for na ye. But that's it, that's how I made doubt. Sir.
Okay, so I know very soon we'll go on the line and speak to good. We need clarification.
Yeah. So be it as it's me.
And then the cake is a factor why. The Buba Casa.
Time cover.
There be time in young cosa. There be time in young cosa. Way back 5 minutes near. Whenever I mention, we need some clarification. That's all.
Yeah. Intino, me was asking me who.
All right.
But can you ask him, Minia? You can you ask him, Obi, can you add the bit maximum fixing permanently? A bedu baby no, a becostro, demand the becostro. Then I bones over a young value chain now. Ye was sector biane ne entity a waheso generation aspect VRA and IPPs independent power producers transmission and the diama Greco I want a from Greco outfit no now back to ECG I want to off taker I will be distribution there my or how be a bebano a bano amount for Becasafa. Me our friend doom so me bisa that question then our friend doom so
can you do man so
ndino send it what to me you doom so ofie so what do you can we doom wo be so awaso
but any PSA you can't doom so in the context as a dexa Ghana ni bia nim doom so
the one that happens at the national level
me pacho frequent and frequent in the ground
erratic
also erratic there be planned frequent planned and also there's another word for it 3 words in a kaboom. That is my understanding of the doom so the load shedding aba okay hano sisi ana ye bedum no time wait say the me makan and esiso a na ye dum no time no do a na edum no na aso de sa na ma no ana say e wo ha bo say na ankasa ko pa na saba ti enu na edum so no
e say yetimi nya clarity
a definition
absolutely to the name
a political definition
not as
where political in the context of politics one am the
what you say enti doom so
CC
bra sa de ne bal mo be kaya na emra ko off by itself the nya say din no prior to President Kufuor's exit so what I say na ekofa sa doom so no by baby e benya bra ye de question lexicon mu na ye de share of friend then dictionary mu no na ye nya no I think 2013 2014 ho no ni nya ye beti say for baby doom so but as I say who say oh how ben challenge ben and asabre no amaniti so abri bia no ye betimi nya bi obeka maybe na a friend at TV3 for about will be eater no better be no friend Acapulco Bay.
Yeah, we can pa.
Sabrina, you said then you do sankasa. If you crash your own TV to cover, baby, of course, a hono, Benya Kania. We have come of age. Baby, I have to print, you no problem with generation.
NPSA,
yes,
I've just gotten some information over here. I don't know. We'd still have to confirm from Charles Nee, Aiku, but power outage due to a fault in our network. I don't know ECG for me who's logo no daho and no aba. The electricity company of Ghana. FEMA region wishes to inform our cherished customers and the general public in the underlisted areas that the outage being experienced is as a result of a fault in our network. Affected areas: Adogono, Lekma, Railways, and Opoigono, Glow Lamp, Octopus, Dan Adams, First Choice. Dan Adams, okay, First Choice. Okay, and also one. And then we have other areas too being also trumpeted by the ECG over here. We know Wednesday, but the information I have is for tomorrow. Until for tomorrow, that is 30th. Until we means I have Mr.
I still have my doubts.
You still have your doubts.
Until more I make an announcement.
Okay, all right.
On that, confirmation. We'll relay from there. Let's
hear you on these outages.
Prof.
Yeah.
According to Wikipedia, Dumso is a Ghanaian account term meaning off on, referring to persistent, irregular, and unpredictable electric power outages.
Okay.
It describes a severe energy crisis involving frequent blackouts. You see, Dumso no, and you have meaning. It's in the English dictionary. President Mahama Bensono, and Dumso no,
President Mama Penso.
Yes, the first time no.
And I do so no.
If we are saying where Dumso, and Dumso nye Ghana phone call.
President Mama time.
President Mama Dumso established in the world's dictionary. So Dumso is no longer something peculiar to Ghana. World Ajiatum. One of the legacies of President Mahama. Edija Ghana any viasi nyinano. Any day, Dumso. That's the definition you were looking for.
Sure.
And anybody can check it. But
you are verified. Like it.
Yeah, Kasabe afa generation capacity. Na answer na no. O timetable ya already ye. Minia enim PSS oji tum se enye correct no. Mi will be.
Also will be.
Mi will be.
Unyawe.
Na in fact. Meme die madwuma muni ene send maame.
Okay.
Na megia tum say enye authentic. Said yewra enim PSC e ka no.
Megia tum say
because the okay kai senka we authentic and ke be nyame ase. Check what you just read. Outage is near saying 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. 6 hours ne dum kania. Per ade a okay kai ni sesi na me pacho wo fie ye dum kania 6 hours. Etiefo nyina bebe me witness say kania dundum no se enya de wo say twe anopa age say nwumre ko
o da bi me area huntisa
and am say wo huntisa dia alhamdulillah so wo huntisa dia
arabarka
wo de onya 6 hours
me timi nya bi 6 hours e bi kra 2 e bi kra enche
ana wo ye potopre dum so potopre
me ye potopre
okay that's fine ba omo dem pa no obeka kire say me sesi amete hei ma psyche me ho say ene me kodam because anra minya light kakra ekosi anajo baby and off me koi. But you see, let's come to the main issues
here.
Okay,
so now I don't know person here bakasa. Okay, but the omatu yankra ECG for atu yankra say aye die meka ye no aye announcement e na o ma ba be ye announcement and no aye no kre.
Okay.
Aye no kre. That's fine.
Let me move on. Okay.
You see, the anya load shedding na mabo bi kan chance anya load shedding.
Now
load shedding. Our meaning no. Must shed a particular load. So what does was shed? Hold on. Was shed a particular load into no feed them on me. Then na mo ba be che. Nam ga what I say. Enti enya bibia na ye load shedding. Okay.
That's it. You see, what is happening is load shedding, and I'm coming to explain it. Abochi, say me born tougher from the Energy Commission's website. These are the figures for us to know say you will load shedding and I need load shedding.
All right, my mean to you.
Sir, and your man will say your friend is a power a question book crisis burning issue. He said happen be now check my. But from the beginning of the year and even previously, no, now you are starting experiencing this now. Show you why.
It started in January 2026.
It's starting. I will take yours. Yeah, it's not because of now I'm going to show you why because of body can never be the cause of where we are.
Oh, but have they said say the cause?
Oh,
I don't think they've said the cause, but it has rather aggravated the situation.
And I'm just say even aggravation how many it shouldn't be so. And I'm going to prove to you. I'm proving it to you. So
okay,
take your
but
time.
let me beat you.
Yura any PSC aka na ye no kran say generational capacity there ye ni problem. Meaning say infidia ewo ho say bibi ekoyi a say etimi generate power ye hia no ye wo. And that is true.
And then no cray.
So obi ka kire say transformer yes sano. And until the whole country to me experience the experience here. It cannot be. It is a transformer. Ben yes, also started from January. I'll take yours.
Sure.
They started transformer CS from January, no, and everything. April ending January, February, March, April. A day transformer. I was on Bokran yes for Frankie.
Now say transformer now mo about and many expert be din komo. He tells me say transformers now one bar one more affix you know. Say area mo ho say obi problem with any light na say ebetimi ama efie ahia power na nkasa no etimi triple
abotimi menche we bi
etimi triple
ma menche we bi
memeti
transformer na urban and generate electricity
no there be
so we ma me fa nko generation no na who say transformers nyina na yes sani say see area whether we will be in doom so or not it impacts the nyabote kakra bi ma me now yen expected output for thermal plants expected, that is output of thermal require 2,551 megawatts. That is how much a thermal plant ebetum dia maying.
Okay.
Now, operationally, what they are providing is 1,679 megawatts, meaning we have 872 megawatts shortage as far as thermal is concerned. Of course, some of the plants cry there at the form cry. Hydro is expected to produce 1,411 megawatts. As we speak, hydro is producing 403 megawatts.
So what's the source of the data?
Energy Commission.
Energy Commission,
yes.
For website.
Website, yes.
Okay, that's
I will share everything with you.
Sure.
So from what I've stated right now, we have a total deficit of 1,880 megawatts capacity. Deficit I want to know. So it says you bet me producing we a good system ni mu. Across on situation now as you know, it is taking out 86 megawatts, sorry. Across on effect now, but it's taking 10% of its capacity, which is 86 megawatts NFF.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes. And I will supply all those information to you. You see, maybe Sawasemo. Unim say, even the minister said it, energy minister, say a reserve capacity, 18%. Now, unim say Akosombo, at full capacity, the contribution to the state, the national grid, 18%. So what it means is that if Akosombo should crash today, all things being equal, not say all generation capacities are at their full level without Akosombo, I say it will supply country because our reserve capacity is 18%, Akosombo supplies 18%. I'm giving you facts and figures, very verifiable. So it is not. Now, what it means is that your shortage is about 37% of the year producing is a CA. So if anybody is going to tell you say plant be and yesheshe na yesheshe wi aye ho atoya What if say agency boss Abba said, do so it will take us 3 months to 2 years to fix. Are you aware?
False information.
Oh,
waka medical demeti.
Waka meti ya shanu waka. You see, baby, on man, emia kodu baby, ultimate for propaganda mem. So if the thing is going to take us 2 years, then you should know how severe the thing is. Etimedia Ghana for and someone a dapuno swa ye kan ho asem no. Enya bahira abrewajo. Eni bresem. Capacity the generation capacity in the but the NDC as a government measures are adodan kwa ekufu adoa ya bone so boa do so ede toto ho ema yetimi so nkania no wo ntumi. The money is not there to power the plants. Simple. Go and ask yourself, why is thermal thermal go abochi me de adwuma we ma wo de minim so be yaman bon thermal adenti na enya adwuma em produce hwezesi fuel issues. I am money issues. Wozo be catch say o beji 1 cedi from every liter. Gallon bia beji 4 cedis, 50 pesos. Now they akwa ko solve say they be ya dum so emma. Adabi bisa a question ma uyi ma no kama because I'm also experiencing the same thing. NDC bas way electricity ana use no amount ana woto no. Service na woto 500 cedis a month and then the same month with the same gadgets no you need 10,000 and beyond. Ansa na etimi aso eno de eno kro enti wo ba ye no electricity board no board ekwa empemanim more than 100% de na meton times 2
me pesa utie ma me fancy me de nyabotre me pesa utie nkomo bi eno a me ne abrantie bi di nkomo your friend is Zache ya that said or the Institute of Energy Policy me ne di nkomo na ma enko tie de okan
when they are explaining to so. But you will protest their difference, but because what you can do was only there. And of course, Ghana company.
All right.
But the real issue is different.
Okay, so let me ask you because early on, who state is say who will transfer? Yes, it's a transformer in a particular area. It take about 2 days, at worst 3 or 4 or 5 days. Now, yes, it's a year transformer. Domain. I take it back 3-5 days. Your lights, during those periods, now lights go off. Your sister transformer maybe, but still, Nkania no that's doom. And also a denga.
And then the parliament because when it comes to the local, when the lights in the circle off, and there was also to be paid before, and my ancient which was say, okay, I had them say, we say more transformer upgrade, transformer no, yeah, so very then sorry, maybe there's another light up. I don't know woman say, over a transformer. But if you will be fear, I did be air show, but only the proposal fear you won't meet the say, a banner and the proposal fear ash and a light in the core off. But who you fear no? Why do you light in the core off? But my cultural system, your program in such a way, say, saturation be banners at the big year and not castle off on each one. That is a safety measure. As you go in and send your walker, now airbags in the moment. It's a safety measure on the grid system too as well. And it's a minute to say, let's say you fear that begins here, enjoy Kenya, all of a sudden Kenya they go off. But also there's the people that are so like, if you are the see or you're brown or so, we do you need, but if you will be the fear, or so if you are gas, and I want to air shit. And I want to kind of maybe a book and I know money and say, and who to move. If the changes will be the same, I send it to
okay.
Actually, match now. And those can be possible causes and only there is ECG that will be able to give you the real-time update.
All right, so I can appreciate the kind of conversation that we are having this afternoon for God and country. So, but still on the transformer issue, you have to say where I live, mostly Thursdays and Fridays, and you realize, echo off. Could it be that area mohono obi yusu bibia and no mapa na timitrepia on Thursdays and Fridays alone?
When okay, and I'm just say those ones, if you debate about the individual updates to that. Me as a person, I'm meaning the situational report there, meaning the line and then how they are being affected.
I'll not be able to explain things to you.
Okay, that's
I'll
fine.
be able to just tell you, say, for that real-time update,
Yeah.
ECG will be the best person to be able to explain to you.
That's fine.
But from the free as a policy person, as a BMT industry, I know, say, we have enough dependable capacity. I bet maybe a big demand.
Okay, so some of our your friend is saying your stations are the generate all right, and then I wish I found one come on with the year until like it is me.
We the we are not make no.
There be some way information we here.
My boss are not change some work king. Or say, sa to yenchen bi ba. Na uhodi na atiako. Ya to yenchen ba Ghana so. And ya to jump pre announcement I make ye. I have a call and the out to too far NDC pay. What do you do so levy? Say o de kwa kuto fuel na yanko dum so. Electricity bo wasa tun empimanim na yanko dum so. Now we need $2 billion a year to get enough fuel like here at their power plant no. Sika okoji abochi ukaya. We raise concern say so 1 cedi ya omaje from every liter 4 cedis 50% from a gallon from July last year no. Omumbra no mumbebu ho akontane hu de omode saa sika no ye. They go kind say you minority you only have your say but we the majority we will have our way. Okay. And say we now we have no and e dia ba bedru ha. It will be catch say unim say akosombo nyina e my 900 megawatts. Before that 1020 is the capacity, but anyone will produce to the 1020. No, the maximum he can produce is 900. So I know what you're saying.
It's 960s
and quench.
Yes. I think I have the figure. But take a listen to the former president of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, on this transformer issue. Take a listen.
Showboy,
take a listen to him.
Mr. President, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all Ghanaians for their patience and understanding during recent temporary challenges with the electricity supply across the country. Over the period, the issues surrounding maintenance of transformers and gas supply have been successfully resolved, resulting in a sufficient improvement in power supply.
All right, so what? Was it a idea
now you see NDC for who almost sorry no maka and I'm about generation capacity one for one crown.
No, he's talking about transformers. Was it transformers fixing or more ye?
Now say ye.
Okay, me that's any piece in my meeting.
Me that's energy sector no. Say one tall boys I reckon never be afra. The mestre wadaroma. What can installed capacity? A generator now they are busy on. And a power plant no. Maximum capacity now holding.
And they have dependable capacity.
Until you can is one speedometer 120. And not children holding a speed a bit in your maximum. So what I say. But generator be no bit in your power no to the max.
To the max, correct.
Into your available reliable capacity or available capacity na also.
Oh, say capacities no medium your install capacity
availability
there be and we the dependable
hold on available capacity na metime dey abeto abonten nyama bebre na contribute to no.
What's the difference between the dependable capacity and available capacity?
Ghana no we say generation mix. There were thermal, there were hydro, there were renewables, my friend, solar no money in the account. So what I say, it's working canning in our boma near Sabrino air available a bit in the more manful. And only other you take Ginaso Casa de Abrevia because near no to be farmer.
But I think the technical term for that available capacity is the dependable capacity.
You can use it anyway. So what I say, availability, and no na ebeti me a check.
Dependable capacity.
Into bon say, eto da also can I had an off because of A, B or C. A, B generation plant B ho aba asem e bia plan maintenance bi enti eno no entimi ma on stream ne aya kan prempre ni say ti say na yin nuanom MPP foka na na kufa do kan o se wasesa generators organ nyina sa na organ ni
transformers
sorry fache me wasesa transformers organ nyina sa na no kan na we ma ho no transformer ho no hide be anfi an etiefo bia betima hwe ni area ko transformer de obiye ni bebia ni disi
okay bia no yantia sey ure ba min sambo ne kasa.
As your president, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all Ghanaians for their patience and understanding during recent temporary challenges with the electricity supply across the country. Over the period, the issues surrounding maintenance of transformers and gas supply have been successfully resolved.
Okay, let's say idea transformer maintenance, one car replacement. So transformers ACC, you know. Yes. That was what he talked about.
Tiokasa near power.
Yeah, that more.
This is acquire semantics. But catch us are buying up procure transformers. Over 250 pieces. Sorry, 2,500 plus. Sorry, Fatima.
Okay.
Our system be upgrade be.
Transformers anya MPP apenso no motor.
You can say two no mo hwehwe no.
What of hin or the gogu hin.
Any batch
apart from ye bay cables are lock up or port home common ye beti. Any transformers.
Yes.
My generations more than far.
Oh, and one can make ban.
Yeah, man, can
1,460 megawatts. Oh, my God, say ya fe bia ka ho.
Enim. Only batch on me brain.
Nyame ya adoma. Bia number 6 topic. No kan nyame ya adoma.
Oh, the bia
say next week we nyame na be fa ka metra.
Otina ka metra.
So what I say no plan to ko a we nya sa 1,000 if.
Axa, mema ba ko. Mandi takrade Amandi, yes. Just
a minute. Yeah, best consumer be our legitimate concern.
Yeah.
Because it has all kaniaka back to prepaid. Udumna ebe because what plan is up so dear near maybe.
No great.
Abang we say it is even new. Make sure thing.
Sure.
Because now here we dum kania so get my own.
No great.
Nti ye best romanfo. Abang na sure say wa bay kun bi obefa so a ye betimi atu anamon atimi anya reserve margin me yan kofre bi excess capacity ntino won kotwitwa niemem Ghana no da bia ye kwanim nti ye kwanim no demand be koso
all right
demand koso esa abang no bon homodin say obe adapt
mame na say endpoint homeopathic clinic ye beda must say na wie mo aso asene Dr. Edubuaten hey papa ye de udi no ana udi asem obo adwuma ye pa yare kwankro obesa no one time obi a wonya stroke wakampem say nipa no so sorry a wo de endpoint say ha ho emfa nipa no entuka mu mfa ma ayaresabia wo de frɛ no Dr. Edubuaten so obebe fie de wa ba behwe nipa kono but your number na 0244 867068 0274234321 Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Me pacho was the end to chronic diseases. Ya die bia wo kutia. Se oba person of fru no wo ba be ma person share oba nyin anase be ma ojunso a na wo be ma onimu yo ya ana wo de boss wa no wagem wa hra no brebrom. Me pacho Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Ebeka wasama ma wo. Enkran ha hwehwe mo shell signboard was Spinters Road kwano so but you can catch us say ye kasiatika ya de dia a year 21st clinic Father Roma edom kofa ba ye edom ahwehwem edom ahu anu aduro be pa cho say yare siatika echiwa every sisim na pie usirem na pie unase a kai says ayade no ye siatica enkran ha hwehwe 21st clinic I beg your pardon Tantra Hill Runabout Tema omo Roman Catholic Church ne asonda na chi hwa kaswa omo New Market obrom kwan so Kumasi ehwa overseas so we dey chiran grandsa abusia omre children's park na the ben so takrade efie kuma number 9 bebia 21st clinic e wo bia no kai say uko a doctor for papa na ewo ho a wo mesa wo yade frɛ 21st clinic was 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. I've gotten some birthday dedications. I've gotten some birthday dedications to do right here. A quick one. The first one is what I just want to thank. Happy birthday to Mrs. Alice Opong. Wow. Happy birthday to Mrs. Alice Opong. Dudu friend of Sister Akos. Was a CEO of By Grace Fashion Center. Ewo Goso. And the bacho baby I will be on the catch on you say nyame shroud. Nyame mo ho ban na omao and quatenten. So once again, happy birthday. And it's going out to you. Mrs. Alice Opon is coming from Lady Posh of Success FMR or God. So there is another birthday message here I want to do before I rise. My mention says Menya. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. Okay. All right. So this one is also a happy birthday message going out to Mamaga One, Mamaga Ekomepe. And then which are going to Makers House Chapel International Destiny Songs. We want to say happy birthday to you. And this one is coming from Patrick, and also a member of the Makers House Chapel International Destiny Songs. Or sing Shroud, your new age. So once again, Mamaga One, happy birthday to you. Ebusuya from ABOTCHIE. Bye bye.